Hi friend, welcome to my channel Math Carper. Today I discuss a question from linear algebra. So let's see the question. If A and B two orthogonal matrix such that det A plus det B equal to 0, then A plus B is option A orthogonal, option B singular, option 3 non-singular, option 4 idempotent. So now we check one by one. If we take A equal to I and B equal to minus I, then these two matrix is orthogonal matrix and det of A equal to 1 and det of B equal to minus 1. So det A plus det B equal to 0. So these two matrix satisfy all the given condition. Now we see A plus B. A plus B is 0. This is null matrix. So the option null matrix is not orthogonal. So option 1 and option 3, these two option is incorrect. Why? As this matrix is null matrix is singular, so this option says non-singular, so this option is incorrect, or also this option also incorrect. Why? As null matrix is not orthogonal. If now we see the option B, explanation of option 2. Now this A plus B equal to B. Consider this expression. So this equal to A transpose A B transpose plus A transpose B B transpose. So this can be written as A transpose A B transpose plus A transpose into B transpose. So now we take determinant. So here clearly given that A and B both are orthogonal matrix. So from here A transpose A equal to identity and B transpose and B transpose B equal to identity. Now we put the values of this and this. So we get A transpose into A plus B transpose equal to, this is identity, so I into B transpose. So this is identity matrix from here. So this is this. From here we get B transpose into A transpose. Now we take determinant. So det of A transpose into A plus B into B transpose into det of B transpose plus A transpose. Also we know A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So in this place we write this. Also we know another result, det of AB equal to det A into det B. So we can write this, det of A transpose into det of A plus B into det of B transpose. So det of A plus B transpose. This can be written as using these two property. Also we know another result, determinant of A equals to determinant of A transpose. So here we can write det of A as this. So det of A plus B into det of B. So from here det of A plus B, using this property we can write this. So next, also given det A plus det B equal to 0. Det A plus det B equal to 0, as A and B are both orthogonal matrix, so they have determinant det of A equal to plus minus 1 and det of B equal to plus minus 1. The sum will be 0 if another is 1 and another is negative 1, then sum will be 0. This determinant we get from the orthogonal property. So this is, if we assume this equal to 1, so det of A plus B, and this equal to minus 1. This is also minus 1, this is also plus 1. Any of the case is possible. As sum is 0, so both cases is possible. So det of A plus B. So from here minus det of A plus B into det of A plus B. So from here 2 into det of A plus B equal to 0. So det of A plus B equal to 0. This implies A plus B is singular. So this option this is correct. Now we check option 4. Explanation of option 4. Take a matrix A equal to 1 minus 1 0 0 and B equal to 0 0 1 minus 1. See, these two matrices is orthogonal. Why they are orthogonal? As the row of these two matrices form set of orthonormal, forms a orthonormal set, this and this. So these two matrices are orthogonal. Now we check det of A equal to minus 1 and det of B equal to plus 1. So det A plus det B equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So these two matrices satisfy all the given condition. So now we calculate A plus B. So from here 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now we check this matrix is idempotent or not. So A plus B whole square equal to 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to this 0, this into this 0, this 0 0. Null matrix. So A plus B raised to the power 2 equal to A plus B does not equal to this. So A plus B is not idempotent. So this option is incorrect. See this counter example. So only option B is correct. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you with you in the next video.